Hi guys, this tutorial is for you to change opening and closing timings for your takeaway or website through My Takeaway app. To make the changes, click on Dashboard and select the tab Open Hours. Once done, you can see the existing timings updated for the same. If you have any kind of changes, you can just click on that particular day. Let's say for Monday, I want to change the timing of open to 4:30. So I'll go ahead and make the changes as needed. And then click on OK and save. And the timing required will be updated as well. Same way, if you have any kind of additional shift, you will be able to do the same by clicking on Add Shift, add the required timings, and click on Save.